Editor suggests snippets prevent quick suggestions. So this setting controls whenever an active snippet controls whether an active snippet prevents quick suggestions. And it's a good thing that it does prevent quick suggestions. And let me show you why. So let's trigger a snippet, like the snippet for the for cycle. And now, if you notice, we have multiple cursors, right? So if we can just write something here and it's fine. Now let me show you the same experience with this setting turned on. So let's set it false so that quick suggestions shows while we are inside an active snippet. So let's activate the snippet, and now we have suggestions. And because we have multiple cursors, take a look at what happens if we select a snippet inside an active snippet. And this is what happens, right? And you can actually compound this, and you can keep doing strange things if we just keep compounding this stuff. And obviously, if you're paying attention, you're not going to do this, but it still makes for quite a lot of work if you want to undo the little mistake of selecting another snippet within a snippet, right? Just have to select all this code and go back. And once you do this, it's not even worth it to try and fix your code. It's all broken. So you might as well just delete everything and start from scratch. So it's actually a good thing that you can set this to true and prevent quick suggestions while you're inside an active snippet. So I will leave this one as true.